I got popcorn. Hi. Do you want some of my popcorn? Oh, well, no, you can't have it. Here, come here, baby. Here's my dog. Here's my dog. Ah. You have to take it from my mouth. Hey, Mom. I thought butter popcorn was poisonous for dogs. Ow! Why do you keep... By the way, guys, I only have 1 day of school left until Thanksgiving break. Comment how many days you have left until Thanksgiving break. Bye, guys. Wait, hold on. Maybe not bye. Oh, sticky waffle, sticky waffle. Come here, baby. Help, guys. Hurry, guys, quickly. Like the video to save me. Thanks, guys. Tutu. Guys, to save me, subscribe. Please. You have 3, 2, 1. Thanks for completing the challenge. I'm saved. Thank you guys so much. Please, can I get a 4th subscriber or maybe even a 5th, please? Oh, and by the way, guys, subscribe to subscribe to the Idrovo family, please. I want to get her some more subs, and please subscribe to Marcy Coakley. Bye, guys. I love you so much. Please let me get to 5 subscribers, or probably even 10 more. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Peace out. Y'all, love y'all.